go with a talk that will go back to the basics. Because if you look at ERCP, it still remains one of the most challenging procedures that we do. I do full thickness resections, I do a lot of third space endoscopy, yet ERCP remains the most humbling procedure that I perform and that we all perform as gastroenterologists. You can do everything perfect and the patient can still end up with a complication. And I'm glad that Peter has continued to keep the focus within this meeting on basic cannulation techniques. We do fail approximately 20% of the time at the first ERCP. The reason I have shy away from the double wire technique, but let me show you what that is. So the double wire technique consists of placing a wire in the pancreas and leaving it there and then trying to cannulate along that. So what is a comprehensive approach to cannulation? There is no uniform consensus, although we have data, and it's still based on expert opinion. And certainly in the era of evidence-based medicine, expert opinion has fallen out of favor, although I will argue that expert opinion is still very valuable. Why?